नमस्कार बच्चों। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सर्चिंग records in a binary file and some more operations on binary file. So first of all, see how to write in a binary file. So here we are opening a binary file, that is myfile.dat. Dat is extension of binary file, and WB means we are opening a binary file in write mode. Now we are taking input from user. So name equals to input, enter name, and data equals to name dot encode. Now f1 dot write data, and we are closing the file. In this example, we are encoding the data. Now what is encoding? Encode means it is a function of string module. It converts string data to a byte value, that is in the form of binary. So string or any object we cannot write directly in binary file. Before writing the data into a binary file, first we have to encode. We have to convert the content into binary form. So in this example, we are encoding the name. Name means the input given by the user. We are encoding it in the form of binary. So we cannot directly write the string into the binary file. Next one is reading from the binary file. In the same way, we are encoding before writing the content to the binary file. If we want to read the content of binary file, we have to decode the content also. So decode, it converts byte value to string data. So decode function convert the binary form to string form. So in this example, f2 equals to open myfile.dat, rb. Now r means reading mode and b for binary file. Now message equals to f2 dot read. Now print message dot decode, and f2 dot close means we are closing the file. So before printing the result, we have to decode. We cannot read the message too. So first we cannot read the message, so we have to decode it in the string form. Now next topic is read and write in binary file. So with the help of pickle, we can directly read from the file, and we can directly write to the file with the help of functions available in pickle. So there are two functions, one is dump and second one is load. So dump is just like write function in text file, and load is just like read in text file. So this is the program to write the student record. So see one by one all the examples. This is a simple example how to write a data in binary file. So here we are opening binfile1.dat, and the extension is dat, and file mode is writing in binary. WB means writing in binary file. Now pickle.dump hello. In dump function, we have to pass two arguments. One is the content and second one is the file handler. So this is the simple example how to write some content in binary file. Now next example is how to read the content of binary file. So with the help of load function, we can directly access the content of binary file. Now next example is how to write the records or data in a binary file during runtime. How to write user input to a binary file. So this is a simple program. We have imported pickle and open the file as data, and roll number equals to int input enter your roll. Second one is name equals to input enter your name. Now we have created a dictionary. Roll number equals to roll and name equals to name. This is a dictionary. Key is roll and value is small roll. Similarly, name and small name. So roll and name are the keys and small roll and small name are the values. Now pickle.dump dt comma f. Now dt is dictionary and f is file handler. So with the help of dump function we can write the content or dictionary to a binary file as data. Now run it. So enter your roll number to name. Okay. Now this is a program to write user input to a binary file. Now next program is to read the content from the binary file. So this is the example to read the content from the binary file. Now if we want to write a multiple record in binary file, we can do with the help of loop. So here is an example to write multiple records in a binary file. So here we have opened sdata1 file and the extension of file is .dat and the file mode is AB. Very important, AB means here we are appending, we are adding the content to a existing file. So here we have used append mode. Ch is a variable and initially we have assigned y to it. Now while loop, while ch equals to y or ch equals to capital Y. Roll equals to int input, you enter your roll number, name equals to input, enter your name. Now dt means dictionary, roll equals to roll, name equals to name. This roll and this roll, this name and this name are different. This is key and this is value. This is key and this is value. Now pickle.dump dt comma f. Now we are asking to user, do you want to add more records? If you pass yes, then this while loop will continue till the n or other input is given. So this is a program. So this is a program to write multiple records in a binary file with the help of loop. Now run it. Yes. Now program to display or read multiple records from a binary file. So with the help of while loop we can access or print all the records available in a binary file. So simple program is there. Import pickle file equals to or app equals to open sdata1.dat. Now in read mode. Now try while true data equals to pickle.load, print data roll, data name and accept, print the end. What is try and accept? Try and accept are the statements which are used to handle the exception in a program. So first try part of the try and exception will execute. Then if any exception is occurs, then this particular statement will be executed. So this is a simple program. Here we are using an infinite loop while true data equals to pickle.load app. We are reading the content from the file as data1. Here we passed app means file handler of as data1, and while condition is true, print data role. Print data role means it is a dictionary. Data is in the form of dictionary data, and we are passing the column name, comma, data name. So all the contents of the dictionary will be printed one by one. So with the help of this program, we can print the content of a binary file. Now this is a very important, how to search a particular record from a binary file. Here we have important pickle. Initially flag equals to false. Flag is a variable and the initial value given to variable is false. Now we have opened the file as data1 in reading mode, and one more variable roll number equals to int input, enter the roll number to be searched. Here is a variable which stored the roll number we want to search. Now infinite loop, while true, try record equals to pickle.load app. Here one more variable record, and we are storing the content of the file in record. Now if record roll equal to roll number, if the file roll number or the roll number loaded in the variable rec is equal to roll number, if condition is true, we will print record is found, and we print the content related to this particular roll number. So in this statement or in this line, we are checking that the record accessed by this line equal to roll number we have passed here. We are using this statement, we are loading the record from the file in record variable. Now in next line we are checking record roll equal to roll number. If condition is true, then we printed here record found, and also we are printing here the related information, means roll number equals to record roll number and name equals to record name, and flag becomes true. Now we have changed the status of flag from false to true because the record is found. And except this is EOF error. If this error occurs, then break. Now in last line, if flag equal to false, means we have not found any record in the file, and f.close. So run this program. If you want to search 1, then roll number 1 Piyush. Okay, see in this example, roll number 1 is Piyush. Again search 2, roll number 2 is Rohit. So this is a program how to search a specific record in a binary file. तो प्यारे बच्चों, सभी प्रोग्राम आप घर पे करके देखिए। अगर कहीं डाउट है तो आप व्हाट्सएप के माध्यम से मुझसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं और पूछ सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।